Back to the channel. It's your boy, OG Poppy, the ink slinging cowboy, the lure slinging cowboy when I'm on the water. But right now, we're going to get into my glocks. Just picked these up. I am a GLOCK hound, so I'm a little biased. I don't give what y'all's talking about. So let's jump right in. My new little baby. Comes with the plates. Nice box. Nice. Comes with a cleaner. Back plates. Came with a lock on it. Now, I don't know why anybody would want a lock on their gun. I mean, if you got kids, get a safe. You know? So let's take this off. Alright, let's get this off. We can throw that away. I don't even know why. Clear. Press new. Out the box. Feels good. In hand. Now, I don't know what everybody's bitching about with this, but this feels good to me. And the little flare out at the end fits right in. Plus, I'm going to be building these, so I'll do another video of some furniture I'm about to stack up on it. Some clips I'm about to get. Of course, I got to get the old light. This is fresh out the block. Fresh out the block, so I like it. Sights. Everything's clear for you YouTube gangsters. Never handle a gun that's loaded if you're cleaning it or unboxing it. So, only load it when it's at the range, or if it's your home protection, you keep that boy ready to go. We'll check out the other one and then you'll see what I do with it on my build.